Welcome to our lesson focusing on variables and constants in Dart, essential elements in programming that hold and manage data. Variables and constants are crucial components in Dart. They allow us to store, manipulate, and access data throughout our programs, providing flexibility and control. In Dart, a variable is a named storage location that holds a value. It can vary during the execution of the program. Let's explore how to declare and use variables in Dart. Variables in Dart can be declared using the var keyword for type inference or explicitly specifying the type. Here are examples showcasing different ways to declare and assign values to variables, which are known as initialization. Constants, unlike variables, hold values that cannot be changed once assigned. Dart offers two types of constants, final and const. Let's delve into their usage. In Dart, final variables can be assigned only once and their value remains constant. Const variables are compile-time constants. Here are examples demonstrating how to declare and use them. Understanding mutability and immutability is key. Variables can be mutable, allowing their values to change, while constants are immutable, retaining their assigned value throughout the program. As we conclude, variables and constants play vital roles in Dart programming. Utilize them wisely to enhance code readability and maintainability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!